In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zendesk for both end users, also known as customers, and support agents in the year 2025. Whether you're new to Zendesk or simply looking for a refresher, these steps will guide you through building a streamlined experience for managing customer interactions. To start off, navigate to your Zendesk dashboard. Here, you'll find all the tools you need to manage your customers and support team efficiently. Let's dive right in and focus on setting up the customers first. You'll want to click on the Customers section. This is where you'll manage your customer database, ensuring you have all the information you need to assist them quickly. Once inside the Customer section, you should see an option labeled All Your Customers in One Place. Selecting this will bring up a comprehensive list of your existing customer profiles. From here, you'll have an intuitive overview of who your customers are and what interactions have taken place. To add a new customer to your database, look for the button that says Add Customer. This will open a prompt where you can enter the necessary details. You'll first be asked to input the customer's name. It's a good idea to ensure names are entered correctly, as this aids in keeping your records accurate and makes it easier to find specific individuals later on. Next, you'll need to enter the customer's email. This will be a primary means of communication and is crucial for sending updates or responding to queries. Double check for any typos to prevent potential communication errors. After entering these details, click on the Add button to save the new customer profile. Once added, this customer will now appear in your database, accessible whenever you need to assist them further. Next on our agenda is setting up your support agents. Begin by clicking on Views to navigate to the Ticket Management area. This section is where you'll manage and organize support tickets, ensuring your agents are always on top of any customer issues. From the Views section, navigate to New Ticket. This area is where new support requests will first appear. It's essential to understand this workspace, as it's where agents spend a significant portion of their time resolving customer issues. After opening a new ticket, direct your attention to the Assignee option. Assigning a ticket correctly is crucial for ensuring the appropriate agent handles the request. Here, you'll want to select Support, which opens up the list of available support agents. Finally, from the list, choose the specific support agent who will be responsible for managing the ticket. By doing this, you effectively allocate tasks within your team, helping to manage workloads and ensure timely responses to customer queries. By following these instructions, you're well on your way to effectively managing customer interactions and aligning your support team in Zendesk. Keep practicing these steps, and soon you'll enhance your efficiency and customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your Zendesk setup.